Welcome to our solar panel installation process.
Harnessing the power of the sun starts with careful planning and precision.
Our team begins by assessing the site to determine the best location for maximum sunlight exposure.
Once the position is finalized, we install the mounting structures,
ensuring they are securely fixed to support the panels for long-term efficiency. Next, the solar panels are carefully placed and aligned to capture
optimal sunlight throughout the day.
Once secured, we connect the electrical wiring, linking the panels to the inverter.
The inverter plays a crucial role by converting direct
current DC from the panels
into alternating current AC,
which powers homes and businesses. After wiring is complete, we integrate the system with the main electrical panel and,
if required, connect it to the national grid or battery storage. A thorough inspection and system testing follow to ensure everything is functioning efficiently. With this installation, we take another step toward a sustainable future,
reducing electricity costs while contributing to clean, renewable energy. Solar power is not just an investment, it's a commitment to a greener tomorrow.
Stay tuned for the next steps in our renewable energy journey.